Just a few more examples for you for rationalizing the denominator. Again, I'm on the guided practice problems. For number 9, 6 over square root of 5. So I'm just going to rewrite it with the split radical. And, you just want to multiply by this value here in the bottom, numerator and denominator. Just multiply by 1. And 6 times 5 is 30. And 5 times 5, 25. And square root of 30 over 5. Now, the question is, does 30 simplify any further? Well, let's see. 4, 9, 16. Now, that's pretty much the answer right there. Won't go any further. Let's try a couple more of these down here, because these might present the biggest problem. You need to rationalize the denominator. Again, we have the constant and the radical, you got to multiply by, same numbers, but change the sign. So you can have 7 plus square root of 5, both numerator and denominator. So numerator, negative 6 times 7 is negative 42. Negative 6 times square root of 5 is just negative 6. Square root of 5 you cannot combine because that's outside, that's inside. Denominator, again, the middle term is going to be gone. I showed that in the previous example. You'll have a positive 7 square root of 5 and a negative 7 square root of 5. Those will cancel out. So all you have are the 7 and a 7, which is 49. And minus, this is going to be square root of 25, which is 5. And then just to finish this up, it'll be negative 42, 42 minus 6 square root of 5 over 44. Now, you're not quite done. And explain this a little bit to you. The 42, the 6, and the 44 are all even numbers. So you can factor out a 2 from all of those. So then your final answer will be negative 21 minus 3 square root of 5 over 22. That will be the final answer. Okay. Again, I do want to try one more with you. Make sure you got this. We'll try number 14 as well. Again, rationalize the denominator. It's the 4 in the square root of 11. Just change the sign. So 4 minus the square root of 11. 4 minus the square root of 11. Multiplying 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times the negative square root of 11 would be minus 2 square root of 11. Again, 2's outside, square root of 11's inside, they stay there. Denominator now, again, the middle term's gone. You have the positive 4 square root of 11 and the negative 4 square root of 11 gone. So all we have is 16, 4 times 4, and negative 11, or sorry, square root of 11, square root of 11, be square root of 121, which is just 11. And it's the minus sign carries. And then last thing you gotta do is subtract the denominator. So you're gonna have 8 minus 2 square root of 11 over, what, 5. The 8, the 2, and the 5 can't simplify. Now you're done. All right, try the rest of these, and we'll give you some homework as well.